Yo, what is up, everybody? I am over here in Amsterdam, in the Netherlands, and oh my gosh, you would think that after I leave every country that it doesn't get better, but it actually does get better. Man, as you can see, time has passed, and I am in need of a shave. Uh, I need to probably find a barber around here, or at least buy some shaving supplies. Didn't even know if I could bring my razor or shaving cream in the airport, so I just didn't bother with it. However, I'm just gonna probably buy some over here. But anyways, that's not the point. So we are getting ready to take a boat tour around the city, and we're gonna be going over, pretty much touring around the canals and seeing all the marvelous sights in the city. And then after that, we are going to the Atom Tower, and there's this really cool lookout where you are at the highest point of the city and you can pretty much see the entire city. So I'm really excited for that. Also checking out a food hall where there's just a whole bunch of variety of different meals to eat. So I'm really hungry. All I had for breakfast was some tea, an apple, and an orange. So let's get this show on the road. Here, and this seems like the map of the whole entire city. Pretty interesting. Look at all these canals. It's really fascinating. I'm 29.
You're 29.
Yeah.
Married?
No, single.
Best.
I definitely recommend that y'all go to this place if you ever visit Amsterdam. Dang. Alright. Man, I feel like I have made a significant difference in my looks. Yeah. So I decided to go to the supermarket, got some stuff that I need, a little razor, a little shaving cream, and then, yeah, finally got my laundry done. I don't know why I'm sharing this, but, you know, the funny thing is that it's just really cool how you can just go to some places by yourself and then you end up meeting other people who are in the same shoes as you. What I mean by that is when I went to the Atom Tower, that little tower with the swing that I was on, I managed to meet another traveler from Finland, and we literally got lost coming into the hotel museum area, and we looked at each other and we were like, do you know where to go? No, I don't know where to go. Do you know where to go? No, I don't know where to go. Let's figure this thing out. And then we ended up just hanging out with each other, and it was pretty much a blast. So we took pictures of each other. I had my own videographer for a second. And we might be meeting up later tonight. He asked me if I wanted to go to a club tonight. I'm not really a club kind of guy, but since I'm here, I might as well check it out, see what it's like to go over there. Not that I ever do that stuff when I'm at home, but since I'm out here, I'm just kind of interested and curious to see how things are over here, since you don't really get the chance to really do that. As opposed to being home, I can do that whenever I want. Will I ever do it? Probably not, but I'm gonna still do it if I'm over here, you know. So today, it's funny because another cool thing that I've realized is every single time I'm getting ready to go to another country, I'm always sad about the country that I'm leaving. And then what's even funnier is that every time I go to that country on the first day, I'm always thinking I'm not gonna have a good time. But by the time I leave, I'm like, dude, I don't want to leave this country. Like, I end up getting so sad and depressed about it. So I think that's a beautiful thing. It shows how a country can make an impact onto you, and I'm just really, I don't know. I feel that, I don't know, I just really enjoy just experiencing different cultures and different ways of life. It's like the first country, London, it's like I visited a kingdom. the second country, Switzerland, it's like I visited a land of like mountains. This one feels like I'm visiting a city of waters. So it's just really interesting to see how different they are, and it's like it's hard to compare all of them because I really liked all of them. Of course, I'm gonna be honest, in Switzerland I did the most extreme stuff, but you can probably find other things to do in other countries as well. But it's gonna be hard to beat Switzerland. I mean, Switzerland is, for the amount of days that I've been there, I don't want to play comparison. I'm not gonna play comparison, but just know that I had a blast in all these countries, and by the time that this journey is all over, I'm gonna be really sad, and I'm not going to record that. So let's see what else we have. What we have later on, I plan on riding bikes around. Yeah, I plan on riding bikes around the city. As you can see, some things that I've noticed about the city: everybody rides bikes. You can literally think of any type of transportation and people are using it. Every time you go to the crosswalk, you have to watch out for literally every single thing. You have to watch out for bikes, you have to watch out for cars, you have to watch out for buses and trams. It's crazy. And what's more insane to me is that everybody here just treats it like it's normal. And I'm over here trying to be like Indiana Jones, looking left and right. And it's just crazy. It's just crazy to really think about how all this has. It's just really crazy to think how this city is. So everything's really. It's been an interesting adventure. Don't even get me started on what it took for me to even get here in the first place, because that first day was really rough. But other than that, let's just keep on going on. Let's just keep exploring the city. Let's find some hidden gems, and yeah. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, be sure to like the video. And keep watching till the end. Alright, peace y'all. What is up, everybody? It is my last day in Amsterdam.
Yes,
I am here with the new friends that I made from Turkey. We got
Hi guys.
Efe, and we got Super Thai.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna enjoy my last day. I fly out back to London in a little bit, and we'll see where the wind takes us. Got ourselves a stroopwafel. Super Thai, what do you think?
It's great, but it is not that I expected.
It's not what you expected?
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, no, I'm really.
It's not so good, but it's okay. Yeah.
It's good enough.
Yeah. Not
Efe,
good enough.
how you like it?
I'm really.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
It's good.
And what do you think?
I haven't eaten it yet.
Good the man.
I approve.
It's fucking expensive. It's like a fucking bargain.
It's a big dog, bro.
Ryan.
That's a big dog.
Looking
Gonna
nice.
eat good. Woo. What would you say is your favorite thing about Amsterdam?
Favorite thing about Amsterdam? Not bicycles, I guess. Not bicycles.
Not bicycles.
Yeah.
That's my favorite thing.
I guess Maybe the streets.
Yeah, the streets.
The streets?
I was gonna say streets. I don't know, just looking at it. Don't know.
Seeing the freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very free country.
Look at this place. I don't know.
Yeah.
You got chocolate in your mouth.
I was very hungry.
What's your favorite thing?
My favorite thing,
Not bicycles, obviously.
beautiful city, canals.
Yeah, beautiful.
Sick of canals, bro.
It's like I think of when I think Amsterdam, I think city of water.
Yeah.
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 It gives a good vibe. Like
Mhm.
there are tunnels everywhere.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it is a good vibe. What is up, YouTube? I know it's been a good minute since I've actually done some on-camera type stuff at home. So, that concludes the end of our Europe trip. As fun as it was going out of the country and filming some content, I'm glad to be back home and getting back to, you know, our original schedule. So, we'll be going back to Ninja Warrior videos, probably one more travel video. We also have WNL competitions coming up, the regional, Tier 2 World Championships. We have a lot of content we got to get ready for, so I hope y'all are staying tuned. But that concludes the end of our Europe trip. So if you are new to the channel, sorry, I don't really post a lot of travel videos. Probably won't be posting another one for a good minute. Maybe, maybe not. But anyways, if you like the video, make sure you like the video. If you like what I'm producing, Ninja Warrior, content, fitness, traveling, all that stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Many more videos coming along the way. Hope y'all have an amazing day.
Peace.